good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust.
All right, so this is Sam. This is their first time gonna be riding a four-wheeler, I guess, right? The first time?
First,
oh my.
no, I've ridden before, but
okay, but never been
trails.
on a mud park. Hey, girl.
Familiar? Yeah. How are you?
We just went over to the beach to see if y'all were there. Well, we went to the other beach. So you were able to come. Oh, you were able to. The wife let you come out
let me
here.
go one more time.
One more time.
I gotta get mine fixed though.
Yeah.
It's fun to ride, but I prefer the four-wheeler more.
Yeah. So I got Jonathan here again. Okay. So I don't know if y'all remember this guy. I took him out off-roading for the first time, and he did this. Clip to the video real quick.
You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. I was just having fun.
So what do y'all think? So let's just see if he's gonna roll over, almost roll over again this time, okay?
I'll sound like a hyena.
Where are they at? Across the river? Across the river? Over yonder? Over yonder. Hey, what's up with the water willies?
Let me try your waders on.
He's like, let me try those waders on. She's still home with those damn waders.
He's the guy I was telling you to be editing the videos. He wants the camera.
Yeah. Is it deep over here? No.
No, it's not that deep.
I know, there's not really a lot of water.
And we actually brought more alcohol today too.
Yeah, we bought a lot.
We got like Jaeger.
Shit, well, let me have some.
And if you're trying to get someone fucked up, it's this guy right here. He gets real fucked up.
Oh, he gets real up. She's stupid.
I'm going to the back, folks. 1020,
Let's see how long you can ride the water wheelie from all the way over there. Shit, I should have brought the drone out. Ooh, shit. Hey, does this bring back memories, this area? Oh no, it was the bridge. Never mind, that was the bridge. I remember the video.
We can go back to the bridge.
Yeah.
Go around to the bridge.
I got Jello shots.
He said he'll do it again.
Who wants Jello shots?
You got Jello shots today?
Okay. Yeah. Where's yours? You gonna go out there? You should just cheat and get a Willy bar. Why are your nipples so hard? Stay on the far right.
me, he's like, if you try it, I'll pull you out.
You saw what happened when he tried pulling me out. He willied. Did you see him?
What?
When he tried pulling me out?
Nah.
His ass went, "Ah!"
Oh,
He
yeah.
popped a willy.
But you were stuck though.
I was stuck. Yeah. Luckily I didn't break shit.
Yeah, no.
Stop! Stop! You want it this long? Shit. Alright. Hey, so why didn't you make it through?
You can walk through it, I'll try it again.
Oh, let me get, I'm gonna go get my waders real quick and I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm gonna walk through it with my waders. Oh, hey! No? Why are your nipples so hard?
Like I said, looking at her.
Cheers. Cheers, cheers.
Cheers! Yeah, you cheers us this time.
Cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers. Thank you.
Trina, here. Blue?
Kind of fun.
Cheers!
I know how to cheers, she don't.
Did already, so that's why I'm like,
Do you know how to play volleyball?
Hey!